Teaching your dog the commands no and leave it is essential for her safety and self-control. Start by demonstrating the desired behavior, such as showing her a treat in your hand, saying no, and rewarding her with praise and a treat from your other hand once she stops trying to get the treat. Use a neutral, stern voice without scaring her, and be patient. Repeating the exercise multiple times over several days may be necessary. Gradually increase the challenge by placing the treat on the floor while guarding it, and practice in different environments to reinforce the command's effectiveness. As she learns, reduce the frequency of treats while continuing to praise her for obeying. Remember to give her regular exercise to help manage her energy levels, remove tempting items from her reach, and distract her with toys or activities rather than repeatedly saying no. This approach will help your dog become a well-behaved member of the household.